Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn about how to remove the noise from the graph in a region. So sometimes when we get a graph from any of the instrument, sometimes there is a lot of noise that we cannot even plot our peaks there. So to overcome that challenge or issue, we're gonna remove the noise by smoothing the peaks on a region. So here, first of all, we'll open origin. I have origin 9. You can use the same steps or follow the same instruction on any of the um, origin software, any version of origin. So after opening the origin, I'll go to the sample file. Here I'm using this sample file. This is an FTIR data. So I'll select it and then copy it. After copying, I'll paste the data here in these two columns. Okay. After pasting the data, I'll plot the FTIR graph here by selecting these two columns. And after selecting these columns, I'll go to this line icon. And when I'll click on this icon, the graph will appear. Now you can see this graph is very kind of noisy. There is a lot of noise in this graph. So it is very difficult for us to understand or to, predict the peaks here in this FTR graph. So we can smooth it. The process is, first of all, we'll go to the analysis tab here. Okay. After clicking on to the analysis tab, uh, I'll go to the signal processing and then smooth, and then I'll go to the open dialog box. When I click on the open dialog box, this kind of window will appear, right? So in this window, I'll see a column here, point of window. So I'll change these points here. So here is written by default 5 is written there. So I'll change this to, I can say 80. So I change this to 80. You can change this to any number depending upon how much smoothing you want to your data. So I'm choosing 80 because it has a lot of noise in this graph. So after click writing 80 here, I'll click OK, and a smooth graph is appeared here. So it is in red. So both the graphs are overlapping. So to show you people, I'll remove the previous graph to make it more understanding or easy to understand for you. So I removed the previous graph, and now the new smoothed graph will be visible to us, right? So I'll click OK. So this is the graph now. Now you can see there is a lot difference between both the graphs. So I'll show you the previous also. See, uh, this was the previous graph with a lot of noise, right? And now after smoothing, this is the new graph with a lot of noise reduced, right? So this data can easily be plotted, or we can easily, address the peaks in this data rather than a noisy graph there, right? So this is the procedure you can follow if you want to smooth your data analysis, right? Then signal processing, smooth, and then open dialog box. And in that, we'll change the points to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever we want. If it is too smooth, we can go for the lower values. If we require higher values, we can take the same, right? So thanks for watching and stay tuned.